Welcome to my channel. So we have another unboxing video for today, and still I'm recovering from a bad flu, so apologies if may onting ubo at saka yung boses natin is low in energy. So going back, we have another unboxing for today, and we have here our very first full box ng Hirono. At last, meron na tayong full box ng Hirono. And this is Hirona Reshape. So this is not the first full box in mind na gusto ko sanang ibukas sa line ni Hirono. But ang hirap kasi makahanap ng full boxes ni Hirono. I'm hoping to get like yung Mercy, City of Mercy. Pero ang hirap maghanap nun. So for now, ito muna. So let's open the box na. I-prepare natin yung box. Let's go ahead and open this. Ay, by the way, bago ko buksan ng tuluyan. So, ito, Reshape. Ito yung mga pwede natin makuha. So, 9 figures in total. And then, there's a chance to get the secret. And nakasulat dito sa side nito. Since this is Reshape series, nakasulat dito, we all reshape ourselves unconsciously. So, yun yung tagline niya. So, let's go ahead and open the box na. So, let me just prepare yung box itself. Yan. Let's put this here. Here. Yan. Tapos, I think natatanggal din to. Ayan, nare-remove yung part, side part. Oopsie. Yan. Oops. Na-tear ko siya ng sobra-sobra. Anyways, let's just remove that. Okay, so going back, so we have 9 figures to open. Let's hope na magkaroon tayo ng secret. Namin na nating in-unbox pero hindi pa tayo nakakakuha ng secret ni once. So, hoping that this full box has a secret or is with a secret. So, let's start unboxing sa middle. Here, ito, yung box niya. Very nice. Ang ganda talaga lagi ng art ni Hirono. And what I like about Hirono is very emotional yung figures niya. Laging malungkot, may emotions and all. So, ayan. Hindi ko na isa-isahin to kasi makukuha naman natin yung card and ipapakita ko sa inyo each time we open the box. So, let's open the first box now. Let's go. Yan. Oops, nandun yung card. Let's not look. So, ito yung pack niya. So, let's open 1, 2. Okay, so our first Hirono is ito. So ito, Odyssey, Hirono sticker. Si Hirono is inside a cardboard rocket. So very cute. Ganda. So let's see. Meron ba itong ano? Meron siyang stand. And the stand looks like a moon. So, open na rin natin yan. And let's place Hirono dito sa stand. Oh, very nice. Ang ganda. Parang siya nag-land sa moon. So, let's try to check the card. So, ito siya. So, ito yung back of the card. Space Junk 0427. So, nakasulat dito Voyage. Ito siya. Si Voyage. Very nice. Very cute. Ang ganda talaga ng eyes ni Hirono. Very expressive yung face ni Hirono. Laging mukhang malungkot. So, let's put him here. Our first figure. Let's go to the next one. Let's open the next box. So, second box natin. Let's see kung ano ang ating makukuha. The card is there again. Nakikita ko naman siya pero hindi natin sisilipin. So let's open the second box. 1, 2. Oh! Balloon. Ito yung balloon ng likod. Tapos, ayan. Parang mask yung yung face talaga ni Hirono. So, it's really just a balloon and then mask ni Hirono. Tapos, hanger. Clothes hanger. Ayan. Let's see. Anong name nito? Very nice. Very sad. Ito yung card. Yung likod. And, ito yung harap. So, ang sabi dito is costume. So, ito yung card niya. So, ang name nitong figure na to is costume. Very sad yung face ni Hirono. Ayan. Nice, oh. Para siyang mask. Ang cute. Ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga. Nakapag-open na tayo ng 3 blind boxes ng Mime series ng Hirono. And, mind you, ang apakaganda ng gawa talaga sa kanya. Ang ganda-ganda. Shiny and all. So, let's go to the third box. Let's open the third box. Ayusin ko lang yung gilid. Ayan. Ayan. So, let's open the third box. Third box. Let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, ang ganda naman ng color nito. Ang ganda. Glossy. Very glossy. Tingnan natin yung tape. This is very glossy. Oh, I think this would be my favorite. Ang ganda. Oh. Nice. May sinusulat siya sa damit niya. So, this is, let's see, Drowning. Si Drowning. In likod, gold paint. So, he's drowning in gold paint. And nice nung color combination. Ang ganda. Black and then gold. Very pretty. So, I think meron din siyang stand. Ayan. Stand niya is yung flat ng gold paint. Let's set him up. So far, ito yung pinakagusto ko. So, nakita ko. Ang ganda. Very pretty. Ang ganda. Oh. Shiny, shiny. Very nice. Let's put him here. So, dito tayo sa harap. Middle. Let's go and open the fourth box. Just place here. Ayan. Open na natin to. So, ito na yung fourth box. 1, 2, 3. Go! Naka-close yung eyes ng Hirono na to. It looks so sad. Tapos, tingnan mo, sira-sira siya. O, para siyang lumalabas yung cotton sa kanya. Para siyang stuffed toy or plushie na sira. And he's trying to mend his clothes or himself. Ayan, no? Ang sad. Anong pangalan niya? Let's see. Oh, yan nga. Tama nga. He's trying to mend himself. So, healing. Ayan siya. Yung card. Ito siya. Healing. Aside from being cute, may emotions talaga na pinapakita tong series ni Hirono. Kaya, one of the things na gusto ko pag nag-open ako is nakikita ko yung other kind of emotions na sinoshow. Oh, meron tong Xbox may accessory. Other kind of emotions na isinoshow on each figures na ni Hirono. So, let's open this next box. So, meron tong platform. Pakita natin. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Ay, ang ganda! Very shiny, shiny. Tapos see-through yung sa may bandang ulo niya. Paano? Nice. Yan, open natin to. Parang siyang gem-like. Ayan, oh. Katulad nito yung tumutubo sa niya. It's like gem-like. figure. Let's put him sa kanyang stand. Tama ba yung yan? To. Very nice. Very pretty. Ganda nito. So, parang feeling ko silang dalawa ang favorite ko dito. So far. So, let's check the card of this fellow. Okay. So, you are... Ito yung card. Ta-da! Fading. So, he is fading. Yeah, very nice yung naming convention kasi it looks really like fading kasi translucent or clear yung nasa loob. Nice, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa nito. So, let's go to the next box. Okay. Again, meron na naman siya na stand. Let's see kung sino tong figure na next. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Nice. Ito yung glossy na Hirono. Tapos meron siya parang tube here. Plastic tube. Kasi, if you would notice, sana matanggal ko yung tape, no? Hindi ko matanggal yung tape, but later I'll remove the tape. So, if you notice, etong Hironong to, this is parang siyang balloon na pinabalobo niya yung sarili niya. And I think ito yung name niya si Burst. Tingnan natin yung ano niya. So, nasa may ano siya, parang ano ba to? Clouds. Yeah. So, he's trying to oh my god. He's trying to inflate himself. Yan. So, let's see. Tingnan natin kung tama yung pangalan ko. Yung pagkaka-remember ka ng name nito. Burst. Ito yung card. Burst. Oh, tama nga. Siya si Burst. So, ayan. Very nice, oh. Tingnan niyo pa yung detail, di ba? Pagka yung balloon, merong siyang sa gitna, connection. So, red yung harap, blue nga ba to? Blue yung hair, and then green, yellow. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the next box. So, last 3 boxes. Ito na yung next. Let's open. Still no secret. So, meron din tong meron din tong stand. I think parang mostly dito sa series ito may stand. O meron bang maliit na key. May maliit na key doon sa accessory. So before, di ba in-open ko muna yung accessory? So let's see kung anong laman niya. What is the key for and who we have? Oh! Parang siyang stone. Yung feel niya, very sad. Tapos ayan, oh. Ito yung keyhole. I think it's holding the key. Tingnan nga natin, ano ba yung ano ba yung card nito? This one. Ayan siya. So, he's Paradise Lost. Ayan siya. Designed by Lang. Let's see. Magnet ba to? Ay, hindi. So, you just need to put him here. And then, I'm not sure kung saan nilalagay yung susi. Sa kamay niya yata here. Dito. Yan, tama. Sa kamay niya nga. So, there. Hindi siya magnet, pero, yeah, you can just put him dito sa taas ng stand. So, let's go to the next one. So, still no secret. So, let's open the next one. The next box. Okay. Alright. So, I think wala tong stand. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh. May mga mushroom siya. And I think he's hurt. Tingnan mo yung kamay niya at saka yung paa niya. Tapos may bandage pa siya dito. So, let's see. Sino ka? Mukhang kawawa. Ayun o, tapos meron pa siyang ano, kawawa. So, yan. So, open this. Ha? Very dark yung card niya. Siya ay si Parasite. So, parang siyang may parasite because of the mga mushrooms. Yan. Very sad. And yung eyes, parang talaga siyang dead. And we're into our last box. Let's see kung ano ang ating makukuha. Will this be the secret or the last piece na wala pa tayo dun sa series? Let's see. Okay, last box. 1, 2, 3. Let's open. Alright, so still no secret, but this is the last member of the series. So, eto, parang siyang wood. And then may open yun dito, sinara, para may kinuha. I think this is, sample is yung heart niya, kinuha. Let's see. Parang siyang made out of wood. So, ito siya. Wood carving. Yun yung name niya. Wood carving. Yung card. Very sad. No, very sad. So, yan siya. Wala naman siyang ibang laman na sa loob. So, that's it for unboxing this series. If I will choose kung ano yung pinakagusto ko, I would say this and this. Ayan, silang dalawa. So, very nice. And thank you so much for joining me. And I'll be playing them one by one dun sa ating turntable para makita ninyo with their cards. So, again, thank you so much for joining me. Every time I unbox, I have few other videos to post pa rin. So, just keep on watching and follow my my sites. And again, thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye!